This is Sound of Wings, not just a book, but a journey into the heart of nature. This book is filled with rich, high resolution photographs printed on a premium paper, and every page brings bird vividly to life. Every image reflects my passion and love for wildlife photography, paired with personal notes that tells the story behind the shot. More than a book, it's an experience, peaceful, inspiring, and perfect for a coffee table. A great conversation starter, a thoughtful gift for a bird lover, photographer, or anyone who finds a peace in nature. This is now available on Meesho. Grab your copy of The Sound of Wings today.